From the producer of The Expendables and from the director of The Avengers comes a movie with over 300 of your favorite movie stars all together in one movie. Movie Star Movie, starring every actor with an IMDb rating of 11 or higher, starring Bruce Willis, with Liam Hemsworth and Chris Hemsworth and any other Hemsworth brothers we could find, with Daniel Craig, Roger Moore, Sean Connery, and every movie star that's ever played James Bond, featuring the entire cast of The Expendables, The Expendables 2, and The Expendables 3, plus every mixed martial artist that's ever fought or taunted Gina Carano, along with the entire cast of Sex and the City and Veronica Mars. That's an additional 3 movie stars. Movie Star Movie.